Well, here it is in the direct sunlight for the one day that we have direct sun. Middle of winter, middle of the day. That's how long the shadow is here in Washington State. But it sure did blue up, but it's not quite as bright of a blue as I was thinking it would be. But I still think it looks really, really good, and I'm very happy with it. But you can see, it really does blue up right there when that sun is perpendicular. It does pop. There's not too much flake in there, but I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah. All right, back to final assembly. Headlights are in. Rear quick jacks are in. Front quick jacks are in. Along with these grommets. And I forget where I got these, but this is my first time installing those, and I really like these. Man, that should be part of the kit, definitely. Front turn signals are on. Dash is in. Dash support panel is in place. Shifter ring is installed. Tail lights are in. Le Mans style gas cap installed, including filler neck and grounding strap. Side vents are in. Parking brake boot is on. Seats are installed with the seat belts. Unfortunately, I can't find my little grommet that goes along here to protect the seat belt, but it's resting on the frame here, not on this sharp aluminum. And they don't go in and out, you know, they're tied back there. But side to side, it does touch the seat belt, so I gotta figure something out before too long. Doors installed. Door check straps are in. So I came across on the forums these door pockets from a guy named Cobra Herb. Here's the website, and I'll also link it in the description. Pretty reasonably priced. He's got a bunch of options. I just got the basic ones with the standard pocket size. Supposedly they just stick onto the door. They seem like no-brainer to me because they look nice, reasonably priced. Give you a little bit of storage options without tearing up your center console or the back wall. Boy, that looks really nice. It's got the vinyl, standard vinyl on there. Should go with most anything. It's got the pocket. I don't know. Registration, proof of insurance could go in there nice and easy. It's got this Velcro. 3 spots of Velcro, and then this is the sticky, so that sticks to the door. So I'm gonna trim that, and then trim this. I'll clean the door, and this will go right on. Boy, it looks nice, jeez. Even though the inside of the door is painted, these are gonna look great. Herb's custom Cobra door panels. So there you go. Let's get them installed. Door pockets installed. Trunk access panels are in. The deck lid is on. I'm holding off on the hardware here in order to get the stripes on properly. I guess I could do this mount for the license plate. Side pipes are on. I took this section of radiator hose out for two reasons. The first one is there's another builder on YouTube, Random Works, I think he's called. His filler neck here broke and it split, I think, right along here. And I don't know if he had to have it towed back or made it back, but I've already had one coolant blowout on this Roadster, so I don't want another one. So I'm replacing it with this metal one. I think it's old cast aluminum. I'm also sliding or moving this filler neck over to the right because it's a little heavy on there without a support. So I've got this one that has this little stud here, and I made a little bracket right here, fresh from paint, that's gonna hold this filler neck in place. And in order to do that, I had to put a little rib nut right there, 1/4 of an inch. Well, there's the finished product. Little bracket right here, and this is nice and solid. I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm cruising around Facebook and I come across an ad. It's not really an ad, it was a post. Roadster builders, and it was for a tow hook from a guy named Martin. And I messaged him and said, hey, I'd like to buy one, and would it be okay if I put it on my YouTube channel? And he said, sure, give me a call. So he and I talked. Really nice guy. And he's got a story behind the development of this, in that he didn't want his paint scratched. And this thing seems like a no-brainer to me. See how you mount that on the bottom? That's the tow hook, and it's stowed, and that's deployed so it lowers your tow point, because there's just not a good place to tow this thing. You don't want to use the quick jacks because they're not really structural. So full disclosure, he said, hey, I'll give you a discount for your time and effort to put it on your YouTube channel, which was my idea in the first place. And it gives you a wrench, so you can carry that around in your trunk. Yeah, very neat. Let's check this out. Really don't want to use the knife because I don't want to scratch it, even though it does go under the car. Look how nice that is. Wow. I guess that's billet aluminum. Pretty neat. Yeah. So we're going to get this installed, because I don't have any delusions of grandeur that I'm never going to have this thing towed. Hand-built car. Don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, and that's how it's going to look in the end. Pretty neat. Well, here it is installed. And And I'm pretty sure that's probably the easiest and most useful thing that I've put on this whole car. It's definitely a no-brainer if you're gonna own one of these. If you're gonna need it flatbedded, better get one of those. And now the emblem. Very nice.